Temu app not working, how to fix Temu app problems. So if the Temu application for you isn't working quite well, there are a couple of fixes for that. Simply make sure to launch the Temu app, and this is the interface you will see. So if it's not working, the first thing you want to start by checking is your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch to cellular or vice versa and see if that helps you. If you're using the Temu app on your Android, simply long press the application icon, then tap on this I button that says App Info. This setting will be found on any Android device. On iPhone, you have to simply offload the app. Now once you're here, go to storage usage, clear the cache files, and also clear the data. If this is not also helping, then go to your Play Store or App Store and simply search for Temu. Check if the app has an update, and if it does, then you want to make sure to update it to the latest version. And hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.